Well, I'm done cooking and it's time to eat. Yeah.
This part is
Everybody like it. You're Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. Today my video is going to be a little bit different. I prepared Jamaican rice and peas. Come Helen, show them. Jamaican rice and peas, and my favorite, brown stew pork with butter beans. I did a good job if you can cook. Well, find out from my Chinese friends. Alright, stay tuned for more.
I realized that the meat so fish.
Some for my dog. Nice, with the sauce and
smoke a little.
How is the food?
Perfect.
Oh my god.
Fantastic.
Yoshia.
So nice!
That's not a food.
This is wonderful!
That's the whole day food.
For tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So Helen, what do you think about my food?
Yeah, you know, Melissa is a great chef. And we love good food. She cooks all the time. Look at the rice.
Rice and peas.
I'm watering now. And the meat, that's my favorite. So every time I can have a full bowl of pork and together with the rice and peas. So that's the better thing I can enjoy in the small office.
Thank you, Helen.
I'm sharing out mine first before the drones come down.
Actually, I'm not both still both.
baby like it.
Look what food makes you do. cooking and it's time to eat. Yeah.
This part is
Everybody like it. You're welcome.
I don't know what to do there for.
Really? Ultra man.
Hey guys. How true?
Then the ultra man.
Try this.
Ultra means very delicious, very tasty. Which are taste more food,
I think more soup.
Gravy. They love it.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.